Widespread use of chemical inputs, such as chemical fertilizer, synthetic pesticide, or deep TH, are practices that have been commonly used for decades to reach highest possible level of production. Unfortunately, the long-term effect of such systematic practices is that they lead to destroy all microorganisms in the soil. The effects of microorganisms are not longer to be proven. They act on the soil structure by the better absorption of nutrients. Some studies have proven that plants absorb double of phosphorus with or without presence of microorganisms. They act also on the root protection from soil pathogens by space competition. In other words, they are essential for plant and grower. Since its very beginning, Hello Nature works in order to find solutions to preserve or to restore soil health. From the start, by using organic fertilizer, we have found the interest providing beneficial bacteria to the soil. That is why we designed a sanitation process that allows to keep a multitude of beneficial bacteria alive that will be restituted to the soil when using Italpolina organic fertilizer. With our R&D department, we developed new products to better answer market requests, easier to use in soluble powder form, with higher concentration and higher shelf life. Our microorganism portfolio contains beneficial bacteria, trichoderma and mycorrhizae that can be used alone or in combination.